Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to participate in BNB Airdrop and get BNB coins for free. Right now I have 2.03 BNB. First step. Turn off your antivirus. Everything is safe. I myself use the program on my PC. This is necessary in order to connect normally to the airdrop pool. Next step. Open the archive and enter the password. I will leave link in the description.
And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave
Now you should open the free BNB file.
day in the light of day.
Next, copy your wallet address from Metamask and put into the field. You do not need to enter a seed phrase, so your funds will not be stolen. Press Get Free BNB. Great. It said that we received the coins and wrote our transaction. Let's check it out. I had 2.03 coins and I'm gonna refresh the page. Wow, nice. We doubled our amount of BNB. Now let's check how much it is cost.
I got almost $1,300 instead $600, and it took me less than a minute. Link to the archive and password in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and enjoy the easy money bonus until it's over.